Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here. Today I'm bringing something completely new to this channel. I've never done it before, but I was thinking about it for the past couple weeks, and I thought right now would be the best time to incorporate some new content on this channel right here. So I hope y'all are ready. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to sit back, relax, and eat snacks. Let's go. Okay, I don't have a name for this series just yet, so if y'all have any suggestions, I would appreciate it if you could leave a comment down below. But in this series, I'm gonna show you the full creative process of creating a custom sneaker for a particular someone. So it's gonna be split up into different episodes. The first episode is most likely going to be, the planning, the plotting, inspirations, and just putting it all together and get a little blueprint to see where this custom is gonna go. Depending on how many revisions we need, we're gonna follow it up with, actually creating the shoe, showing the entire full custom process, and of course, showing off the final product. So in today's video, we're gonna be creating and crafting a custom pair of Air Force Ones for Mozzy. Now, if you didn't know, Mozzy is one of my favorite rappers, definitely on my top 10 list, so I'm super excited. I reached out to him, I told him that I'm gonna be making a pair of Air Force Ones, got his size, and now we're here. So with all that being said, let's get right to it. So when it came to the base shoe, I decided to go with the triple red Air Force Ones. The Air Force Ones aren't super expensive, but they're super popular, as y'all know, and Mozzy is a huge fan of Air Force Ones. Whenever he does wear them, he's usually seen wearing the triple black versions or the triple white ones, so I decided to go ahead and switch it up for him and get him the triple reds. So this is the shoe that we're gonna be working with today. I'm gonna go ahead and open my computer to show you guys some of the renders that I made. Now keep in mind, I'm not the best when it comes to Photoshop. I literally just know the basics, so I tried my best. But the fun part about this series is that I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with, but I wanna get your input to see what we could spice up, to see what you guys wanna add to the shoe too. So it's like you guys are customizing it as well right here with me. I might do another follow-up video. If I see any changes that you guys wanna make, I'll make another one, just giving you guys little updates on what we're gonna do to the shoe. Making shoes for celebrities is cool, but when you get different viewpoints from your subscribers or your viewers, and y'all are able to come together collectively and make something super dope, I think that's when you really kill it. So I always say drop a comment down below, but in this series, I seriously need y'all to do that because this is a collective effort from everybody, and I'm gonna try to incorporate, all these crazy ideas from you guys into one shoe. So let me pop up what I got and let's get it started. All right, we have everything loaded up in Photoshop right here, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys some of the ideas that I was already able to put together so we have some sort of working point and we can figure out what direction we want to go to from there. So the first thing that I wanted to do was incorporate some sort of red bandana design. Mozzy grew up in Sacramento, California, Oak Park to be exact, and from his music he always talks about Oak Park blood, so I figured, you know what, let's go ahead and incorporate a bandana into this shoe right here. I've done many bandana Air Force Ones. Sometimes I do the bow tie, sometimes I do the regular mid panel, and I think on this specific shoe, it would look best if we just did the mid panel. So there you guys go. That's the idea that I'm going for right now. It's gonna be on the outside as well as the inside of the shoe. It's a really clean look, but it sets it off from any other Air Force One that you see on the streets. So I think that one is definitely a good hit. Now, when I looked at this shoe, I was like, man, there's also a lot of red going on. And that's not a bad thing, but I think we need some sort of, black to go in there and, just break something up a little bit. I wanted to stay away from painting the midsole or doing anything midsole related because I want these customs to be wearable. I don't want them to, chip or flake over time. So what I did was I went ahead and activated, a black swoosh on there just to get an idea like, man, I think I like how that black swoosh is looking right there. I'm just not 100% sure yet. But once I added the second part or the third part, this is where it gets a little spicy. Let's see, is it right here? No, it's not that. There's two logos that I think of when I think of Mozzy. There's the Gangland Landlord and there's also the Mozzy logo. So when I was doing the render for this, I put that Gangland Landlord right there. Bro, that thing looks fire. Let me show you guys. Activated. Woo! That thing plays perfectly with this shoe because one, it's super Mozzy. Like this is Mozzy. The black, red, and white, and the logo plays perfectly with the swoosh, and then also with that bandana print. So at first I was a little iffy about that black swoosh, but with the gangland on, the heel, I think it looks perfect. But you guys let me know what you think. I need your opinion. You see that? That's with the normal red swoosh, and then boom, you add the black swoosh. I think it gives it a little pop. That's what I was looking at. I also did another render with a different logo right there. That's his Mozzy logo. You can see it on his chains all the time when he wears those. But I think the think this one just looks so much better. And we're gonna go in with this custom. I'm thinking about custom tongue tags. I forget what they're called, but you know on the Travis Scotts how they have the custom lace charm, like that fat piece, that puffy piece? I could make something where it could just say Gangland Landlord, it could have Mozzy on there, it could say Oak Park. There's a lot of stuff that represents Mozzy, but I wanna make this really special for him, right? And he has no idea that we're all doing this together and we're all doing this collectively. So I think the final product is gonna be something super dope, which is why I wanted to do this series, guys. Please let me know what you guys think about, you know, adding to this shoe, or if you have any recommendations, any color blocking ideas, let me know. I'm really feeling the way that this shoe looks right here, but we're also going to have to add a little bit more spice into it, and we can also get crazy with the laces. Again, there's so many things that we can do, but I'm just gonna keep this episode a little bit shorter just to let you guys sit and simmer on everything. You know, if you come up with anything, again, I need y'all to let me know in the comment section down below, but that's where I'm at with everything. So I did my research, I know what Mozzy likes, I have an idea of what I want to represent Mozzy by, but if y'all have the creative juices to come up with something super dope, I'll go ahead and incorporate it on the next episode. All right, this is gonna be a super long series because it's gonna be spread out over time. All this stuff is gonna take some time for me to do, so you're gonna get normal episodes, you know, as usual on the channel, but these ones are gonna be, you know, on their own. All right, so you're gonna see episode 1, episode 2, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.